Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Crafting and Baking with Ray. Today we are going to make mini cheesecake bites. Those are Oreo cheesecakes, and we're going to do those in the shape of stars and hearts for the 4th of July. So I've already prepared the cheesecake, and I am officially putting those into the molds. And then I'm also going to make the cheesecake pops so that there's a stick on them. And what we'll do is fill these up, and I'm going to freeze these, just making sure right now that all of the holes are filled with the molds, and so that when I do freeze them, that they are the whole star and the whole heart and there's no dents in it. So this one's done. The little lollipop ones here, I'm going to pop those in the freezer. I don't know, maybe 10 minutes or so, and they just let them harden up enough to be able to pull them completely out of the mold without breaking them. And that's about 10 minutes, 15 minutes at most. And we're going to pull those out, and when they're complete, and this is what they look like. And so, as you can see, we have some of the lollipop ones, and then we have the stars and the hearts that are just individual. And this is the blue icing. We're going to drizzle over a few of them, and also some of the pops. And then I am going to put some sprinkles on them, some 4th of July sprinkles, just to give them a little decoration there. And we're going to put those back into the freezer, let that harden, and then we're going to do red. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to drizzle the red over top. And you see how I'm just kind of shaking the cooling rack so that we can get the excess off. And now we're going to do white, same situation. So we have red, white, and blue. And then we're going to put them all back in the freezer, let them harden up. And once they're hard, we're going to put them on a little decorative plate. Some of them are on like sucker sticks or lollipop sticks, and some of them are just individual. They're bite-sized. They have Oreos inside of them. They are crunched up, and they are going to be delicious.